So here's my network. So the requirements required us to have a network that was set up across 3 floors of an enterprise building. And there will be 4 different departments throughout that building. So I did a VLAN 10, HR, VLAN 20 being payroll, and both those departments will be on floor 1. For floor 2, I have VLAN 30 set up, and that'll be accounting. And for floor 3, I have VLAN 40. Next, we're required to incorporate redundancy into our design, and I did that by using one stackable switch, so multiple switches acting all as one. This makes it easier for a company to, as they grow, they can just throw in another switch per what they need. And then we needed to be able to ping each PC. I will show that now. Ping, and I will ping from this PC, PC0 to PC1. We will do this now. 168.10.2. And we are getting replies. Just for time's sake, I will ping to PC2 up here. And we have 192.168.20.2. Of course, the first one will timeout due to the ARP table. We will ping it again to show we are getting replies. So we do have connectivity for each floor and all users. Next, we were required to set up a loopback interface to show that it could be the internet. So I will ping the loopback now. 192.168.172. And we do get replies. So we do know that our users could get out to the internet. And then at the routers, I wanted to set up redundancy there, so I incorporated HSRP, and just showing this now, I set up R1 to be the active router and R2 to be the standby router. So when R1 or if R1 goes down, R2 will take over and keep sending traffic. So here we can see that R1 is in the state of active, and then we will go to R2 and we can see that the state is in standby. And this will conclude my video for the midterm networking assignment. Thank you.